Hi guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to create a MetaMask digital wallet. So we're gonna go to Google, we're gonna type MetaMask extension Chrome, we're gonna enter to this website MetaMask in Chrome extension website, exactly the store. As you see this button add to Chrome, we're gonna click on it. So we will wait a few seconds after you download the MetaMask to see it in your browser as an extension. You see here the chicken button. You're gonna synchronize this extension in your browser. You're gonna click on this and enable MetaMask to show in your browser. So after you download it and you complete all these tasks, you're gonna click the button get started. You're gonna create a wallet, of course. Yes, let's get set up. This will create a new wallet. You will agree to the terms of MetaMask. Always allow your you're gonna read this, of course. You're gonna type a new website, a new password, and you confirm the password and check the button I have read and agree to the terms of use. Don't forget to type a strong password. So create password. This video is talking about how to secure your wallet. Before you get started, make sure to watch this video. We're gonna talk after this about this secret recovery case. As you see here, congratulations of your first digital wallet, MetaMask. This network is Ethereum mainnet, of course, because the MetaMask is belong to Ethereum. Here we're gonna add the Polygon because we're gonna work with Polygon after this. In you will see it in the next videos in OpenSea marketplace of NFT. So obviously your first MetaMask digital wallet, you're gonna see 0 ETH, $0 because you never do any transactions before. You have 0 transaction. Yes, here is your account. You click on settings to add as we talked before this on Polygon network. So you click on the MetaMask. Alright, here is your address. Remember this, you click there, you copy your address, you go to Etherscan. Make sure you type Etherscan in Google. There is a scam website. Make sure the secure, yes, this is https etherscan.u. You go to this and type your search by your address. Pass your address and search for it. You see here is your address, your MetaMask address. Its last numbers is 57. Now your address is working as well. So you're gonna go to the MetaMask. You're gonna click on this button. You see everything is working well. So you're gonna go to security and privacy. You're gonna reveal secret recovery phrase. Do not share this phrase with anyone. These words can be used to steal all your accounts. Make sure you enter the password you did in the beginning of the video. So you have to save it on a file or copy it to a clipboard to type it in a paper. Make sure to never share this with anyone. Okay, because there are some bad guys, they wanna steal your accounts. Okay, so here is the 16 word of your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you remember this in a paper, as we said. So thank you for watching.